So right, hello my Forex traders, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel because I do weekly technical analysis videos every Wednesday at 1 p.m. I'll be uploading on YouTube. So right, so let's get straight into it like we do every Wednesday. We're going to start off with AUD CAD. So if you join Telegram, if you're in the Telegram group, then you would have saw that I posted up this trade. Literally, yeah, this AUD CAD trade literally was like 20 pips. We lost out on AUD CAD. The whole reason for this trade was literally, like I said before, I took this trade on a 1 hour time frame, and we had a break below this support level. But the problem is I don't like to trade on Monday, and this is why I don't like to trade on Monday, because a lot of the time I feel like the market does a lot of fake outs or fake reversal patterns on Mondays. And you can see by Tuesday morning, this had already reversed and this trade had gone against me and took me out. But like I said, I did say before I took the trade, I felt like the stop loss was a bit too short. I would really want my stop loss above here. Just let this trade breathe. And look, you can see it came back down into profit. But yeah, that's what happens when you trade with tight stop loss. So literally AUD CAD, that trade was a lost trade. So we're going to get rid of that, clean up the market. And what's next for AUD CAD? So right now, if I be honest with you, if this candlestick close like this, then I'm going to probably look to place a buy on AUD CAD, literally just because this resistant level that we broke out from is literally now acting as a form as support. The only thing worrying for me with AUD CAD is that this wick right here. And if that 2-hour candlestick close as a dragonfly gravestone doji, then probably won't take that trade. So this all depends how this candlestick, the next 4-hour candlestick close. But if we do look to buy it on AUD CAD, then look, we're risking around 23 pips. And I believe that's not bad for 54 pips. So that's not actually a bad return. So get rid of that. So remember, people, I lose trades, but it's about having more wins than losses to stay profitable in this Forex game, because it's tough, and you have to get your head around losing. Literally, not luckily for me, I've literally got my mindset of losing. Like, if I get a loss, it's not a problem. There's another setup will come back in the market. Like last week, we made 270 pips just off of one trade, which was Euro AUD, and that trade worked out pretty much fine. So yeah, back to AUD CAD. Like I said, if this candlestick literally stays like that, close like that, then I'm looking to place a buy position on AUD CAD. So next up, let's move on to Euro AUD. So right, I'll be honest with you, Euro AUD is looking like a sell to me. I feel like price is not going to break this resistant level, and I'll be honest with you, I am looking to sell on you. Oh, this is looking too good. So look, we've got a greystone doji there on Euro AUD. I keep saying Euro CAD, sorry, but Euro AUD. So if that, right, honestly, if Euro AUD stays like that, then I'm probably gonna look to place a sell trade on Euro AUD. The only thing I'm worrying about, if I do place a sell position on Euro AUD, I wouldn't have my stop loss just 10 pips above this wick. 103. It's not bad, a 33. It would be, I would really want it above that wick there, just to let the trade breathe. If I'll be honest with you, I feel like I'm looking at a 52 pip stop loss. And where would I ride this down to? So my target one would definitely would be this area here, 73 pips. But I do believe this has got a lot of potential to go to 165. So that's if Euro AUD closes like that, then look, if that candlestick closes like that, if I get two gravestone doji on a 2-hour time frame, then I'm looking to literally put a sell position on Euro AUD. And look, this is last week's trade. Go check out the video I uploaded before on YouTube, the Twitch replay. I literally talked through this trade of 270 pips in total, but if we did hold it, it's only, yeah, this trade moved another 40 pips. But I feel like that's the end of Euro AUD. So next up, let's move on to Euro JPY. Looking at Euro JPY, how did our daily candlestick close? So at Euro JPY, EJ is still in an uptrend for me. Market is literally failing to close below that, break this trend line, even close below this support level. So for me, with Euro JPY, EMA is about to cross over. I will still look for a buy position on Euro JPY, but it's about, can we get in on any buy position on Euro JPY? Not at the moment. Actually, nah, not at the moment, because this is closed but below our 100 EMA. So right, there's no, unless if you get a touch off this support level, then I'll look to place look at buy position for Euro EJ. But for right now, where it is, I wouldn't really want to get in just right there. So let's move on to Euro USD. Wow. So we had to break out of that parallel trend. Broken that trend line. We now have touched this support, this resistant level, which is now look like it's gonna hold as our new support level. So that looks like a nice break and retest happening on Euro USD. When I place a buy trade on this, right now as it is, I probably would have from this candlestick. Right, let's look at it on a weekly. I feel like what's it got on the daily? I still feel like this wants to push towards the downside, if I'll be honest with you. I probably wouldn't. I'll wait to see if we close below the support level, back in below that resistant level, then I'll look for the sell. Yeah, Euro USD, I'll probably stay out that for now. As well, I need to look at what the news forecast is for Euro USD as well. So Euro USD, we're gonna stay at that. Let's move on to GBP Chef. Right, so what I'm looking for GBP Chef now is for it literally to touch this support level, either my 15-minute support level or my 4-hour support level. So I am looking, yeah. So GBP Chef is a waiting game. Even though we've got a break of that temporary trend line, we finally got a break out of it. But look, price came shy of even touching this, breaking this resistant level, even touching it. I had a trade literally, I had this as my TP, literally came short of. So let's look at it on a daily. You know what? I am waiting for price to literally touch the support level. So GBP Chef is going to be a waiting game. So we're just going to wait to see how GBP Chef react with that support level. But looking at it now, it is looking like it might even touch this trend line as well, bounce off of this trend line before I actually make that move to break this resistant level. So GBP Chef is a waiting game for me. We move on to GBP GJ. So right, literally I'm in for a buy on GJ. Literally took this trade on a 1 hour, I'm sure, yeah, 1 hour time frame, and literally support level is holding right now. If I'll be honest with you, the way it's moving right now, this could actually break this trend line and probably take me up. Look like this could be a trade that I might lose. Funny enough, now I'm looking at on a 4 hour time frame. I shouldn't even have got into this trade. I literally took this from my phone. But yeah, literally, whole reason why I got into this trade was literally this bullish candlestick right here, failing to break. But I do feel like this support level is going to hold. So GJ, I'm in for a buy. And the way market has touched that trend line, everything, touch of support, touch of trend line, and it looked like a pretty much good setup to take. Literally close a back by rejecting off our 100 EMA as well. So there's a lot of evidence to say that this market wants to push back up towards the upside on GJ. But looking how it is now, just by the last hour candlestick closure, that this could literally break support, but we're going to keep faith in this trade, and hopefully it should turn around and come in our fortune. So let's move on to NZD USD. But NZD USD, this has surprised me. Initially, I didn't take the trade on this, but I initially thought, yeah, this resistant level, which is now should have been our new support level, was going to hold. Thought we'd go to get a break and retest off of that resistant level, but we didn't. Literally, market literally broke right through it. Even with these spinning tops indicating that price was looking to push up towards the upside, but price did not, and we had that. We had that big bearish break below, back down that resistant level. So what's next for NZD CAD? I'm just going to keep my eyes on it. I don't see much, to be fair, if I'll be honest with you. So NZD CAD, this is a waiting game. If price does come back down to the support level, actually, then we'll see how it reacts with it. If it's looking to hold or to break, but we'll definitely keep an eye on it if prices come back down to that 0.60 area. Move on to USD CAD. This is a lovely trend on USD CAD. You can see it's staying with that trend line. Even though we're getting the little false breakouts, is every time the candlestick close out of that trend line, the next candlestick close back in line with that trend line. So you can see this trend line is pretty much strong. So for USD CAD, we literally missed the move on this, I'll be honest with you. So there's not much to say for USD CAD. But just keep a lookout with that trend line, how the market is reacting with it. So let's move on. Yeah, so look at every time on a daily, look at these wicks off of that trend line. So even if you bought off this daily candlestick, we've got a nice push towards the upside. Cool. Let's move on to gold. All right, so gold was a trade that I had marked out from Monday. I did say we should look out for if price touch any of these two support level. You can see this 1 hour support level, nice price candlestick reversal pattern happen, and look, nice move by gold towards the upside. So for gold, we've missed that move. That move played out pretty much today. Highlighted this on Monday. Fortunately, I did not take gold myself because I'm not gonna lie, I've not been the best trader at gold, but literally right now I'm just looking at it and trying to understand how gold moves and getting used to it. So next few weeks you're going to start seeing me placing some trades on gold, but literally gold can be very, very vicious. If you do not get the trades right, gold can literally be a painful one to trade. So right, that's going to bring it to the end of the YouTube video. Don't forget, man, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join the Telegram group if you want to see the trades that I'm getting into. It's free. I'm literally posting on a regular basis. I'm active fully in the Telegram group. So people join the Telegram group. The link's in the description. And I'll see you Monday on my Twitch stream, Twitch channel. I'll be streaming at 10 p.m. Monday. So don't forget to join me on there. Or let me know if I should stream live on YouTube. So people, I'll see you Monday, and trade smart.